So Gemini iOS app. So here's the app, new app from Google. So they just released a separate app for their Gemini model. Before that, it was part of a Google app, but now they kind of want to compete with ChatGPT. So they just released the app, and yeah, it's now in the top charts in productivity. Here it is. Unlock the power of Google AI on your phone. It's an AI assistant that can help supercharge your creativity and productivity. Go live with Gemini to brainstorm ideas, simplify complex topics, and rehearse important moments. Connect with your favorite Google Maps like Search, YouTube, Google Maps, Gmail. Study smarter. Unlock a world of expertise. Plan trips. Create AI images. However, like for some of these features, you need to have Gemini Advanced, which you need to upgrade. So let's just take a look at the app. So as you can see here, some of the overviews. And yeah, so here's the app, and here's how it looks like, pretty fast. So in the bottom right, you can go live with Gemini to talk back and forth, brainstorm out loud, and refine ideas faster. So here you can just start asking. Here is you will see. You can then export to docs, draft in Gmail, create public link. You can then select text, modify response, shorter, longer, simpler, more casual, more professional. Other drafts, then you can just regenerate all of these responses. So for example, let's just see how it works. And then here you can see this is the idea. So that's just basically how it looks like. Kind of fast load. It's a bit kind of lazy loading. So first it loads some results, then you just need to wait a bit. And then if you tap on it, you're just being redirected to specific blogs. If you tap on the image, you're just redirected to the Google articles. Blog articles, and then you can read aloud. You can copy it, you can like it, then you can go and search it. Okay, so now you can just do like a Google search related topics, and then you just been redirected to Google. So that's what it is. Then you can just create and modify response and make it shorter, for example. And then that's just what you have. Yeah, so for example, something like that. Then you can use voice to ask Gemini. You can... Hi there. So what are the best things to do in Madrid?
Madrid's got a ton to offer. If you're into world-class art, you have to check out the Golden Triangle of Art Museums. For a taste of the city's energy, head to lively plazas like Plaza Mayor or Puerta del Sol. And if you want to feel like royalty,
so that's basically how it works. Then you can also upload an image. So for example, let's just try. So let's just try to add a bit more complex question, and then let's see, it's basically a stand for mobile phone from IKEA. So let's see. It appears to be a key holder or organizer. So no, it's not a key holder. It's basically a phone holder from IKEA. But anyhow, you get the idea. Then you can just ask a audio question. So yep, and then you have all your chats. You have already your history chats when you chatted with Gemini app before in a Google. Then you have your account. You can have extensions, so you can enable Gemini extensions like Google Flights, Google Maps, OpenStax, YouTube Music. So you can play, search, and discover your favorite songs, artist playlists, and more. So yeah, you can then just find something nearby. So you can use it actually with Google Flights or Google Hotels or Google Maps. So that can be quite handy. But that's just like a mobile app, and then you have advanced. So if you want to use it with the latest model, then you need to go to one Google.com, and then you need to basically upgrade. Here's a Google One membership, and then you have it here. And then, yeah, it's actually quite hard to upgrade to Gemini Advanced. I don't know why they're doing that. So here it is. Just step in here, and then you also get in 2 terabytes. So it's part of the broader deal with Google One, where you just get some nice perks, and then you can just start a free trial. And also then what you get all this Gemini advanced model, the newest model, you can get and use it with like properly in Gmail and Google Sheets and all those things. And like Gemini, Gmail Docs, and more storage, and also Magic Editor in Google Photos, premium video calling features, and enhanced appointment scheduling. So if you upgrade to that, you will get all of this in one pack. So that's the idea here. But yeah, here's the app. It's quite fast. Gemini Ios app is quite fast. I think it's a good idea for Google just to make a separate app. It feels much faster, much easier to use in the app compared just to use the Google app. So yeah, that's just my 2 cents on that. You can see already quite good ratings, 4.7 average rating out of 5. Let's see some critical ones. Some people, of course, they're just saying it's awful compared to ChatGPT. They say it's like woke, but that's like, that's the critique of the model, not of the app. The app, I think, is quite good. It's really fast and it's very minimalistic. It lacks all the advanced features which ChatGPT app has. ChatGPT app is built at the moment a bit more advanced, and this app is very basic for Google, but it does the job. So yeah, at the moment, that's just what it is. That's where you have it.